Welcome to Beautyistic. Imagine this. You're in the middle of your morning routine, rushing to get ready, but you want to make sure your smile shines just as bright as your day ahead. What if your toothbrush could not only clean, but also massage and polish your teeth at the same time? That's what we're looking at today with the Oral-B Pro-Health Pulsar battery-powered toothbrush. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you never miss a review on products that could make your life just a little easier. All right, let's dive in. Now, if you've ever struggled with plaque or food stuck between your teeth, you know how annoying it can be. That's where the Oral-B Pro-Health Pulsar comes in. With its vibrating bristles, this toothbrush is designed to penetrate deep between your teeth and sweep away food and plaque. The bristles don't just scrub, they actually adjust to the contours of your teeth, giving you that thorough clean we all crave. And let's not forget about the added benefit of massaging and polishing as you go. It's a level up from your average toothbrush for sure. In terms of design, the brush is sleek, lightweight, and easy to handle. It feels comfortable in your hand, and the vibrations provide a gentle yet effective cleaning experience. The toothbrush requires just one AA battery, and since it's a battery-powered option, it's perfect for travel or anyone looking for something simple yet high-tech. When it comes to real-world testing, I use this toothbrush both morning and night for a week, and I have to say, it definitely delivers on its promises. After using it for just a few days, I could feel a noticeable difference. My teeth felt cleaner and smoother, especially around the gum line where plaque tends to build up. The gentle vibrations weren't harsh on my gums either, something I'm sure many of us appreciate. Now, there are a few things to consider. The vibrating action might take a little getting used to, especially if you're used to manual brushing. It's not a heavy-duty electric toothbrush with multiple modes, so if you're looking for something with extra features, this might not be for you. Also, while the bristles do adjust to your teeth, it might not be as precise as a higher-end model when it comes to cleaning hard-to-reach areas. Let's talk value for money. At its price point, the Oral-B Pro-Health Pulsar is a solid option if you're looking for a simple yet effective way to up your brushing game. The performance and quality are definitely there for the price, making it a great investment for everyday oral care. If you're looking for a more advanced brushing experience with a ton of bells and whistles though, there are other models to consider. But if you're just seeking an affordable, efficient toothbrush, this one holds up well. As for alternatives, there are plenty of electric toothbrushes on the market, like the Philips Sonicare, or even Oral-B's more advanced models, but they tend to come at a higher price. If you're on a budget or prefer something uncomplicated, this Pulsar is a great middle ground. The build quality is solid, with a comfortable grip that doesn't slip. Plus, the battery life is decent, and the toothbrush lasts a good while before needing a replacement. As for longevity, as long as you take care of the brush and replace the heads regularly, it'll serve you well over time. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I didn't personally deal with customer support for this product, but Oral-B has a solid reputation when it comes to handling customer inquiries. So if you need any assistance, you should be in good hands. To wrap up, the Oral-B Pro-Health Pulsar battery-powered toothbrush is a reliable, affordable choice if you want to step up your oral care routine without breaking the bank. It's easy to use, effective, and perfect for someone who wants a no-fuss, efficient brushing experience. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.